Dear partner, as an endeavor to help you grow your business digitally,
Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC Limited
has launched WhatsApp self-servicing platform. You can now perform any financial or non-financial transaction for your mapped investors with ease. To start using WhatsApp services, opt in by giving a missed call on 78298-26444 from your registered mobile number and add 92256 19956 to your contact list. After successfully opting in, say hi from your registered mobile number and choose from the list of self-service options to get started. You can check the latest business summary, including AUM, net sales, active investors, etc., and download or share application or servicing forms with your investors instantly. Enter your investor's PAN or folio number to view portfolio valuation with cumulative summary and scheme-wise breakup. To get investors' account statement on your email or to send the latest capital gain statement on your investor's registered email, enter investor's PAN or folio number. By default, statement will be sent for the current financial year, or you can select the required timeline. You can also view brokerage summary for the last 6 months or any selected timeline. That's not all. You can even generate smart links for investors to invest through lump sum or SIP in a few simple steps. For lump sum investment, type lump sum, fund name and investment amount separated by plus sign. Now, select scheme option, enter valid folio number and confirm to create smart link. Similarly, for SIP investment, type SIP, fund name and investment amount separated by plus sign. Then select scheme option and enter valid folio number. Select the SIP registration mode from OTM or Biller. Enter SIP start date and end date as per your choice. Now confirm to create Smart Link. Once the Smart Link is created for lump sum or SIP, it will be sent to investor on registered email and mobile number with your pre-filled ARN details. You can also copy and share the link with your investor. After clicking on the link and authenticating with OTP, the investor can validate or edit details depending on lump sum or SIP transaction and proceed with the final payment. Quite simple, isn't it? So, register and make the most of this WhatsApp platform today.
Aditya Birla Capital. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.